Time travel is impossible because time is not what we think. Time travel is often framed as a technological challenge. If only we had enough energy. If only we could bend space-time harder. If only we could build the right machine. But this framing is already wrong. Time travel is not impossible because we lack technology. It is impossible because it is based on a false assumption about what time actually is. 1. Time is not a substance or a dimension you can enter. To travel anywhere, 3 things are required: a location, a structure, and a path. Time has none of these. Time has no independent physical existence. It is not a substance. It is not a container. It is not a medium you move through. Physics never detects time itself. What it measures are rates of change between states. Clocks do not measure time. They compare repetitive physical processes. Time is a description, not a destination. 2. Confusing order with existence. Human consciousness experiences events sequentially. From this sequence, we infer past, present, and future. But sequence does not imply separate locations in reality. A song has notes in order, but the earlier notes do not exist somewhere you can revisit. Order is not geography. Time travel assumes that sequence equals structure, and that mistake sits at the very root of the idea. 3. The past does not exist as a place. The past is often imagined as a completed world that still exists back there. But nothing in reality supports this. What exists are records, memories, documents, fossils, radiation, causal traces. These are informational remnants, not preserved realities. Replaying information is not returning to existence. Accessing memory is not traveling to the past. The past does not persist as a physical domain. It persists only as information in the present. 4. The future cannot be visited because it is not real yet. The idea of traveling to the future assumes the future already exists. But if the future already exists, then choice is meaningless. Every decision would already be written. Every outcome already fixed. A universe with a fully existing future is a universe without agency. The future is not a location. It is a set of unrealized possibilities. You cannot travel to something that has not yet come into being.